Ever wondered how to turn your favorite photos into a stunning collage in just minutes? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful photo collage on Canva with the easy steps, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open Canva. No need to sign up or log in if you don't want to. Just launch the app or go to the website and you're ready to start. Once inside, head straight to the templates section. Here, you'll find hundreds of professionally designed photo collage templates perfect for birthdays, vacations, or any special occasion. Choose a template that catches your eye, and it's time to personalize. Swap out the placeholder images with your own photos, drag and drop them into place, and watch your collage come to life. You can also change backgrounds, adjust colors, and even add text to give it a personal touch. Next, enhance your collage with Canva's amazing elements. From stickers and icons to frames and shapes, there's so much you can add to make your design unique. Don't be afraid to experiment and play around until it feels just right. When your collage looks perfect, hit the Save button. Canva lets you download your creation in different formats, so you can share it directly on social media, print it, or send it to friends and family. And there you have it, a beautiful, customized photo collage made in minutes. With Canva, creating eye-catching designs has never been easier. Try it yourself and watch your photos come alive.